Hello guys, this is my new video and we are shooting firecrackers. Let's go! Okay guys, spinner in water. Going off. Oh my god! No! Yeah, but water is still there. Look at that, look at that! We have some mud all around. We'll try to do some damage to it. Let's do this one first. This is special smoke bomb, which does something, but you'll see. Okay, let's do it right in the mud. Looks gross. Yep, that's a good one. Okay, what we have here? Will this fire in the mud? These little crackle things. Nope. Nope. Okay, we can do that. It's stuck into the mud. One more time. Nope. Nope. Shall we do this in mud? Yes. Oh, very nice. Very, very yummy. Let's stick it like this. Okay. Look at that smoke ring. No. The mud is like cheese from Tom and Jerry. Okay. Let's go blow some mud. How am I supposed to go in there? Oh, that will be nasty. Look at that. Just look at it. Let's do 3, because why not? I'm gonna run away from this far. Oh my god. Let's see the damage. Holy smokes. Choking on smoke. Yeah. There's the crater. Look at it. And I don't know where's the third one. Never mind. Let's do some in that water. Oh, no. Fail. Should we do a spinner in water? Let's see it. Okay guys, spinner in water. Going off. I'm gonna do another one just to get it done. Let's do this one in water. Oh my god! No! Yeah, but water is still there. Let's do these small ones here. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that thing. Okay. Oh, there's one. Okay. Yep. Small ones. Yeah. Let's try to drop this right in the water. Yeah. Look at my glove. Very muddy. Mud incoming. Other one? No? Okay. This is getting really muddy. Let's finish this off. You must try this. We have different. Okay. That's gonna do it. Let's go. Okay, now. Yeah. I poked in the mud. Not doing that again. Sorry if I'm moving camera too much. What? Looks like all of them burst as one. Okay, that was awesome. Stick around for new videos coming up soon and don't get muddy. Bye. Look at that smoke ring. I forgot to do thumbnail.